In this tutorial, we will look at functional analysis options offered in IBD. Functional analysis is used to gain information about the biological processes affected between the control and the test groups of the experiment. The base of this functionality is to determine a p-value for each annotation associated to the list of genes that informs us about the statistical enrichment of each term with respect to a background distribution. Gene ontology enrichment analysis allows us to address whether or not our differential expression list shows enrichment in a predefined biological property. We can choose the GO analysis to be performed on existing comparisons or from filtered lines in comparison results table. The most popular and powerful GO terms include cellular components, biological processes, molecular functions, as well as the biological annotations like interpro motifs. We can also choose between singular or concurrent enrichment, where all the term co-occurrences are collected and the significance of these is determined for those which occur in a minimum number of genes. We can select the minimum number of genes in the list of interest that must be annotated with a term or combination of terms in order to be considered in the analysis, as well as filtering results based on the p-value adjusted for multiple testing using the FDR method of Benjamini and Hochberg. For each of the selected categories, including concurrent enrichment if selected, one page of visualizations and several tables will be created. Enrichment bar chart. The bar chart shows the negative log-tan of the p-value for each term. A value of 1 is equivalent to a p-value of 0.1, a value of 3 to p-value of 0.001, and so on. This interactive enrichment pie chart summarizes annotation distribution for a selected GO category, providing users with a succinct, context-sensitive overview of their experimental results. The significant terms table shows the total number of genes annotated as well as the GO term. It shows the significant and expected number of annotations in the input list and the reference lists that are annotated with each term. The p-value and FDR value informs us about the statistical enrichment of each annotation term with respect to a background distribution. For each term in the significant terms table, the genes of the currently analyzed array can be inspected by marking the corresponding line in the significant terms table. This table is based on comparison results table, which holds the results from differential expression analysis. This displays additional relevant information for each gene, for example, fold changes and p-values between compared group as well as gene annotations added during differential expression step. Please refer to pages 289 to 311 in our user manual for an overview of GO Enrichment Analysis in IBD. For further information and tutorials, please visit www.integromics.com